So we have locked it. We want to change the needle now. You bring out, you raise this presser bar up, then you bring out to release this presser foot. You bring it out, release it back. Then you press this place, this side cover. You have a push button here. Once you push, it will open by itself. You take it out, push it out. Closing it, you press it as you close, you push it goes out. Anytime you're opening it, you bring it like this, take it out. You are closing it, take it in, and you release it. It has this hanger here. If it doesn't lap well,
yes.
and it's like that, and you match the machine, it will be making noise. So you make sure it covers very well before releasing it. This is how to check, you know that. So changing the needle, you know, it uses 2 needles, and it's a 4-thread weaving machine, overlock machine. So this is what you need to change the needle. This is called needle Allen key. Needle Allen key. This is red, one with red color. There is one with yellow color as well. That one is a little bigger than this one. This is 1 mm. That one is like 1.1 or 1.2 mm.
This is 1 mm.
Yes. So, but you can just go to them and tell them you need needle Allen key. You show them, or you show them a picture of this. The red one. The red one is the one you use for this. The same machine, moving machine, others uses that yellow one. If you use a smaller size like this, it will not lose for other weaving machines that uses bigger sizes. So this is the Allen key. It has the screw here and another screw here. There are 2 screws for the 2 needles. So you put it in, make sure it fits in very well before loosening or tightening the screws. Now, most people make this mistake because they want to change the needle, they are in a hurry. They don't fit the Allen key inside very well before they start turning. And once you do that consistently, it will wear or wash out this screw. And once this screw wash out, needle breaks, it will be difficult to bring it out. You have to bring out the entire needle holder. And that is where engineers will charge you a lot of money just for this thing. And again, if you wash this screw, if it washes out, to get it will still take more time again to order for it. So to save your time and your cost, your money, you need to follow the rules. So make sure it enters inside, fits in very well before you tighten. So clockwise is tightening, clockwise is tightening, counterclockwise is loosening. Sure, we can go ahead. So in loosening it, once you turn it, you hear that sound, the thing has loosened. You don't need to go further, you don't need to bring it out. It's another mistake that people make. They will remove it, make sure they lose that screw and bring it out before they bring out the needle. It's very wrong.
So when you put it and it clicks?
Yes, and it clicks.
Okay.
Is loose enough for the needle to come out.
So, but that when you turn it clockwise and it clicks?
Yes. Is enough for you to release it, the needle to come out. Same applies to this one. Fit it in, turn it. See that? Is enough for the needle to come out.
Simply draw them.
And draw it out. Gently. And bring it out gently.
Yes.
But if you insist to bring it out and the thing comes out, if you want to tighten it back now and you don't position the screw very well, it will, you know, the screw has thread,
Yes.
both on the screw body and that space inside.
Okay.
So you might miss the
One
thread,
of the threads, yeah.
and once you miss it, it will be difficult for it to enter straight and hold the needle very well. So if you continue for like 2 or 3 times, it means you have created an extra thread.
Yeah, okay, thread, yes.
Yes, and before you know it, that place, the space will now wash out. You need to change the entire needle holder, which will still take more time. So simply, you loosen it little, you bring out your needle, and you want to fix it back, you put it back and you tighten it. And you don't over tight it. Tightening is clockwise, loosening is counterclockwise.
Okay.
So, having explained that, needle has
tightening is clockwise. Why vice versa is losing? Okay. Yeah.
So, this needle type, like I said, is DC. You can use different sizes for based on the type of fabrics you're using. So, it has a line. It's called a loop, long loop like this,
Loop, yes.
From up down to this needle eye.
Needle eye.
So that line is the one facing you.
Okay, that is what I wanted to get.
So anytime you are fixing the needle, you make sure that that long loop is facing you. The back of it is a flat loop. It's just flat, like this, from here to here. It's flat. The front has a long loop or line. So you make sure
the line should face you.
Yes, that's where it's facing you. That is why if you turn it the wrong way, it's either it will be stitching and be skipping your stitches, or it will not even stitch at all. So putting it, you raise your needle bar up.
Okay.
Watching this thing.
Okay. So to fix the needle,
raise your needle bar up and put it gently. Inside. See what I'm doing? I'm making sure that the needle base is touching up as I'm fixing it inside. Other people will leave it halfway. It will not enter very well. We'll leave it halfway. And once they start stitching, it will be disturbing the stitches. So make sure the needle enters inside completely. Gently. See how it's facing me. I'm guiding it with one finger. I will now bring the needle and key inside, fitting very well.
Anti-clockwise.
Once it's in, tighten it. Don't over tight it. If you over tight it, this thing will start washing.
Wearing.
Yes. So that small tightening is enough to hold the needle. That's one thing with Allen key screws, Allen screws. They are very, very okay. They hold needles very well. So if you want, you can still bring this needle out and fix it on this place and use only weaving. You weave your work. Only that the weaving width, the wideness will be from here to here. But if you use this first needle alone, it will be from here to here. That will be the wideness. So if you are using the second needle, it means you want to use to run
both the weaving and the sewing
at the same time. So if this needle breaks, to save your time, bring out this one as well before you change this one.
Exactly.
To make your If not, it will stress you trying to fix the second needle. So position it well, put it inside. See how close it is with this one. Now,
make sure it's facing you.
Observe something. You see that this one is longer, looks longer than this one. Is how it is built inside this place. Because the looper that is under, once it comes to pick thread behind these needles, these two needles, it will pick from this place first before coming to this side. That's why this one.
Like that.
Yes. So that is how it looks. So even if you fix the needle and it's looking like one is longer than the other, it's
okay.
normal. This one outside needs to be shorter, this one inside needs to be longer. But you don't need to stress yourself to think too much. Just make sure that the needle has entered inside completely. Once it enters inside completely, that's all. You see it reflect. So once it's there, you tighten it. That's all.